In this video, we will look at some of the best action cameras on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, SJCAM C100 Plus Action Camera. Introduction to the SJCAM C100 Plus. The SJCAM C100 Plus Action Camera is a compact yet powerful device, perfect for capturing high-quality footage in a variety of settings. With features like 4K/30 FPS video recording, EIS stabilization, and a 30-meter waterproof capability, it's designed to cater to adventure enthusiasts and casual users alike. 4K/30 FPS video recording. The SJCAM C100 Plus supports ultra-clear video recording at 4K resolution and 30 frames per second. This ensures that your videos are smooth and detailed, capturing every moment with clarity. First-person perspective. Thanks to its compact size, the C100 Plus can be mounted in various positions, including on pets, to capture a unique first-person perspective. This feature is ideal for those looking to add a creative twist to their videos. Working while charging. The camera is designed to function even while it's charging, ensuring you never miss a moment due to a dead battery. Mount anywhere. Equipped with magnetic mounting capabilities, the C100 Plus can be installed at any angle, providing you with endless possibilities for creative shots. EIS stabilization. Electronic image stabilization, EIS. Number 4, CERASTES Action Camera. The CERASTES Action Camera is a high-performance device designed to capture stunning footage and images in various environments. With features like 5K video resolution, EIS stabilization, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, it's a versatile choice for adventure enthusiasts and casual users alike. 5K and 4K video resolution. The CERASTES Action Camera supports ultra-high-definition video recording at 5K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear footage. This makes it an excellent choice for capturing detailed videos in any setting. Dual screen display. Equipped with a 2.0-inch LED display screen and a 1.4-inch TPS screen, the camera allows for easy navigation and previewing of your shots. This dual-screen feature enhances the user experience by providing clear and accessible controls. 170 degrees wide-angle lens. The camera's 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures more of the scene, providing an immersive viewing experience. This feature is perfect for capturing landscapes, group shots, and action-packed scenes. Electronic image stabilization. EIS helps to reduce blurriness caused by motion, ensuring that your footage remains stable and smooth, even during fast-paced activities. Waterproof up to 30 meters. With its waterproof capability, the CERASTES Action Camera can be used up to 30 meters underwater. This makes it ideal for diving, snorkeling, and other water sports. Number 3, SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Active Action Camera. Introduction to the SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Active Action Camera. The SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Active Action Camera is a versatile and powerful device designed for capturing high-quality footage in various settings. With features like 4K resolution, dual screens, and advanced stabilization, it is an excellent choice for both amateur and professional videographers. 4K/30 FPS video recording. The SJ11 Action Camera is equipped with a Sony sensor that supports 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. This ensures that your videos are detailed, clear, and realistic, capturing every moment with high quality. Dual screens. The camera features dual screens, allowing you to see what you are shooting in real time. Number 2, HUAFANT Action Camera. Introduction to the HUAFANT Action Camera. The HUAFANT Action Camera is a robust and feature-rich device designed for capturing high-quality videos and images in various environments. With specifications like 5K resolution, dual screens, and 8x zoom, it caters to a wide range of users, from beginners to semi-professional videographers. 5K/4K 60 FPS video resolution. The HUAFANT Action Camera supports ultra-high-definition video recording at 5K 5120 by 2880 and 4K at 60 frames per second. This ensures detailed and vibrant video quality, making your footage look professional. Dual screens. The camera features a 2.0-inch touchscreen display that allows for easy navigation and real-time previewing of your shots. Number 1. Insta360X 3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera. Introduction to the Insta360X 3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera. The Insta360X 3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera is an innovative device designed to capture every angle of your adventures with stunning clarity and detail. With advanced features like 5.7K 360 active HDR video, dual 48MP sensors, and flow state stabilization, it stands out as a top choice for both amateur and professional videographers. 360 capture and reframing. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.